Investing in Fidelity ETFs can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and achieve your financial goals. To get started, it is essential to understand what ETFs are and how they work. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are a type of investment fund that is traded on a stock exchange. Like individual stocks, they hold a basket of assets, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, and offer diversification and flexibility. The first step to investing in Fidelity ETFs is to choose the right one for your needs. Fidelity offers a wide range of ETFs, covering various asset classes and sectors. You can select from index funds, sector funds, or actively managed funds, depending on your investment goals and risk tolerance. For example, if you want to invest in the U.S. stock market, you can choose the Fidelity MSCI Index ETF, which tracks the MSCI USA Index. Once you have selected the ETF, the next step is to open a brokerage account with Fidelity. This will give you access to their trading platform, where you can buy and sell ETFs. You can fund your account by transferring money from your bank or other financial institutions. It is essential to understand the fees associated with buying and selling ETFs, as they can eat into your returns. Fidelity offers commission-free trading for many of its ETFs, which can help reduce your costs. Another critical aspect of investing in Fidelity ETFs is to develop a long-term investment strategy. This involves setting clear investment goals, assessing your risk tolerance, and creating a diversified portfolio. It is also essential to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly to ensure it remains aligned with your goals. For example, if you are investing for retirement, you may want to allocate a larger portion of your portfolio to bonds or other fixed income investments. In addition to these tips, it is crucial to stay informed about market trends and economic conditions. Fidelity provides a range of research tools and resources to help you make informed investment decisions. You can access news, analysis, and market data to stay up to date on the latest developments. You can also set up alerts and notifications to inform you of any changes in the market or your portfolio. Finally, it is essential to be patient and disciplined in your investment approach. Investing in Fidelity ETFs is a long-term game, and it is crucial to avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. By following these tips and staying committed to your investment strategy, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always do your research, set clear goals, and diversify your portfolio to minimize risk and maximize returns.